Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to do another blending lesson with words with syllable pattern CV. Syllable patterns are so very important as we're continuing with our blending routine. Why are syllables so important? So as we are reading more difficult or longer words, it is so very important that we chunk the words into syllables, and that would really help us with the decoding part. So go to the first line here. We have be, then we have below, below, behind, behind. So I have put in spacers in between to kind of help you with chunking up the words and notice the syllables. Beside, beside. So, sofa, sofa. 2 syllables there. Lady, lady. 2 syllables. Shady, shady. Able, able. Able, table. Stable, stable. In, tin. Tiny, tiny. Ab, lab. Able, label. Rub, rub. Ruby, ruby. Ruby, ruby. There you go. So if you don't get it right the first time, that's absolutely okay. We just go back and we do it again. Okay, keep practicing. Let's continue. Begin, begin. B-A-B, B-A-B, baby. Music, music. Paper, paper. Both, both. Be sure the TH sound, tongue on the top of your roof, the roof of your mouth, and you say both, both. Find, find. Right, right. This is a review. IGA makes the I, long vowel I. I, shy. There goes the long vowel I again. Using just the Y this time. A-B, maybe. Joyful, joyful. Kindly, kindly. Daisy, daisy. Now, the next line, we will look at words with suffixes un, in the beginning, or re, in the beginning. So first we have unable, unable, not able to do it. Unzip, undo the zipping. Unzip. Undo, undoing means to do it again, or actually undo means to I guess redo it. Then we have redo, to do again. Rewrap, to wrap it again. Relax, to just chill. So let's move on to our 2 sentences. We have Amy Ant has a tiny bed. Here goes our capital on the A and on ant also. I suppose this is the title of someone, a title or a name. Okay, a label. And then here's our end mark. Next sentence, we have Amy Ant again sniffs roses, period. So capital, capital, end marks. All right. So Keep practicing your blending lesson. Practice it by yourself, practice it with someone. Practice, practice, practice. Thank you for doing the blending lesson with me.